Okay, now I'm coming into just a small little community called Sailing Hawk, I think. And there are a couple homes here that have some RV garages that will be available. And the nice thing with these are they really don't back to anybody. The yards are very, very small, but when you look at what you're backing to, this is still farm ground. Not saying that it won't someday be homes, but even out your windows and stuff, you kind of see this skyscape of that hill up there. I went in one of these and I was not impressed, so I'm not going to go through any of these right now. I'll come back and look for a distinctive. I went through this one, which I thought was going to be really, really cute, and it was super tight inside. And then these are not the ones with RV garages, so I'm thinking the other one was I'm not sure if that one's available. Sunrise does a nice job. It also has a lockbox. And this one I think will be available. Sailing Hawk. Yeah, this might be the one. 11844 Sailing Hawk. That one's too large. It'll be available. That's got to be it. Not very many of them here have the RV.